Would you trust a luxury shopping website you've never heard of? Before you spend your money on Vendrisa, watch this first because it could save you from a costly mistake. Vendrisa is an online store that promotes a wide selection of fashion and lifestyle products through its official website. The site features product collections, online ordering, and worldwide shipping information. But here's the catch. Based on the official website alone, there's not enough evidence to confirm whether Vendrisa is completely trustworthy or a scam. That's why it's important to do extra research before buying. Before placing an order, check for verified customer reviews, confirm the store's return and refund policies, review its contact information, and use a payment method that offers buyer protection. As of now, there's no verified public proof that Vendrisa is a scam, but there also isn't enough reliable evidence to guarantee it's risk-free. So the safest approach is to shop carefully and verify everything yourself before making a purchase. In online shopping, the best deal isn't always the safest deal. A few minutes of research today can save you money tomorrow. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which website I should investigate next.